All right, second grade, let's stand for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, everybody, good morning, second grade. Excellent to have you back with me on this Thursday. Looking a little bit cloudy today, but I still think you'll be able to get outside and enjoy some of the day before the rain starts coming in tonight into tomorrow. So, let's take a look at what we need to get done for today and what the whole agenda looks like. All right, you found my video, very good. Morning meeting is at 9 o'clock, so please join. I'd like to see everybody again here in the morning, and we'll do a quick check-in. Once we're done with that, you have your morning work that you can start doing. Heading into the classwork tab for Thursday. Let's take a look at the morning work. All right, so we are going back a little bit to measurement, so you'll need your tape measures. I would like you to measure the length of your Chromebook to the nearest inch. Remember, the length is the longest side of an object. And measure the width of your Chromebook, which is usually the shortest, so that's how wide it is, to the nearest inch. And you're going to put your answers over on this right side. And we're looking at some irregular verbs, so we need to be using the correct verb in the sentence that makes the most sense. So pick the correct verb that makes sense. I'll read the sentence out loud for you. I blank good at climbing trees. Is it is or am? I have to blank my homework. Do or does? She blank a new puppy. Have or has? Last one. They blank at the zoo. Am or are? You're going to be putting the correct verb that you're using over here on the right side. And remember, you have two choices for each sentence. So you need to pick the correct choice that makes the most sense. And a brain break. Get a timer or count out loud your 1 Mississippi's or 2 Mississippi's. How long can you stand on one leg? Go ahead and put your answer in right here. And last but not least, my joke of the day. Why did the math book look so sad? I'll be looking at our math and focus book. Think about why your math book would look so sad. Answers down below on the third page. Click the turn in button when you're finished. Okay, heading back to the classwork tab. Reading Ela time. So, what I'd like you guys to do is to read today for 30 to 40 minutes. Then work in your reader's notebook to finish up the week. It's the same post that I did on Monday. So if you've already done, say, a funny part and the setting, try doing a couple of different things in here to fill up your page. I also put in, if you are in a group with Mrs. Smith, you can upload your reader's notebook entry here instead, so that you're not doing double the work, okay? Shouldn't have to do double that work. So this is what this says. In your reader's notebook, write about what you read today. Remember, you can write about the characters, a funny part, a favorite part, a prediction, what is the setting like, and would you recommend this book to another person, and why? I'd like to see you fill up your entire page. So if you only filled up 3 or 4 lines, try picking another one of these prompts at the top to help you fill up the page. Remember, we need to be thoughtful readers, and we should be really thinking about the books that we are reading. So let's be a little bit more thoughtful about our reader's notebook entries. Okay, that's why I put all these up here, so that you have some choices to help you figure that out. All right. There's the Google Doc. You can upload it. Heading back. Yeah, there's the Google Doc right there too. When you are done with that, you can go on to Lexia or IXL for 20 minutes. All right, narrative small moment day. Today is the day to finish it up. My YouTube video right here walks you through how to do your small moment if you need it again. You can start uploading all of the pictures that you have done. So I should be seeing about 5 pictures in here because I'm expecting about 5 pages. Try to put them in order, or if you can do me a favor and just number the top of your papers so that I know the order in which to read them, that'd be great for me. So once that is all in here, click the turn in button and you are done with writing for the week. Again, take about 20 minutes to finish up today and then submit what you've done. Your special today is Jim, and there's a YouTube link right here for you. So you can do that for the 30 to 45 minutes. I'm not too sure how long the video is, but check it out. Have fun. Then you have lunch recess. Make sure you try to get outside. Math time. I decided that we were just going to do a little bit of review for today, and then we'll hit the ground running next week with writing more time, because I'm still trying to get to everybody and work with the Judy with everyone. So, complete the Google slide assignment. It's 2 pages. So let's click on the Google slide, and this is super cool. So you're gonna build the clock, add the minutes to the outside of the clock. So you're gonna pick up the minutes here. Oh, it went down there. It's opening up. Hold on. That was strange. My mouse went to the bottom of the screen and opened up PowerPoint. Anyway, in the Google slide, you can move the numbers to around the clock where they belong. So you're just gonna click and drag for each one. Okay? But there is a second page, and this one I really want to see what you think the time is. Think about what the short arrow is and what the long arrow is. Remember, hours come first, then the minutes. And it's another click and drag, so you can click whichever one you think it is. So if you think it's this one, you're gonna bring it over here. And when you're done with that, again, there's no turn in button right here, but if you head back to the assignment and you click view assignment, there is a turn in button that appears, and you can click the turn in button here. So that's a little bit different than a Google Doc. The Google Slides you have to turn in over here. All right, and when you're done with that, you're going on to IXL Cues or Dreambox for 20 minutes working on telling time. And to finish up the day, you guys are going to be finishing science. 2 things you need to finish for science. The compass rose should have been done Monday or Tuesday. So if you haven't finished your compass rose, either making it inside or making it outside, please do that, and you can fill in the questions and upload a picture of your compass rose below. A lot of you have already done that, so if you haven't done this yet, try to finish it up. Then click the turn in. And the last thing that I have that I would really like everyone to get to, but if you don't get to it, I understand, is making a map of your house, of the surroundings around your house. And what I'm going to do in a little bit is I'm going to upload my map in here as an example for you, okay? And you can finish that up today as well. All right, we've got a lot of small group Zoom meetings today, so please make sure you're showing up to your Zoom groups on time. And remember, today I'm working with friends on math, so make sure you have a whiteboard and a marker, and we will do some good math. All right, I'll see you all at 9 o'clock. Have an awesome Thursday, everybody.